You see, this is on a real account, guys. This is a real account, real account, real account, real account. Yeah, this is a real account, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see. Yeah, we are doing it, guys, with Sophia. We have about 10k people online. 10k people online. This is impressive. This is impressive. Yeah, this is what I'm doing, guys. Let me show you from the PC, guys. I'm on iMac today because my battery was low. Sorry for that. My battery was low. You can see 15%. Look at the broker. This is on a live account, guys. This is on a live account. Yeah, on a live account. Let me show you how much I'm making. Remember, I told you that, guys. Look, this is $300,000. The numbers are moving up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, yeah, let me take my PC and go inside. Okay, let me just go inside before I make too much noise, you know. Yeah, before I make too much noise. Okay. 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 Okay, guys, yeah, I'm inside now, so as you can see everything very clear, because some people will claim that they don't have eyes to see, you understand? So I hope now you can see everything clear. Yeah, everything clear. We are killing GT, global GT. I told you guys that today I'm gonna shut this broker down. I actually deposited $2,000. My aim was to make $200,000, because remember, guys, you guys voted that I should kill this broker. But look, this is it, guys. This is it. With Sophia. This is Sophia. This is Sophia. If you know, you know. If you can see the broker, you can see the broker. We don't hide anything. I mean, what's the point of hiding? Unless there is something wrong. We're gonna be making withdrawal as well, guys. We're gonna be making the withdrawal as well. Yeah, I hope you can see. This is impressive, guys. This is impressive. Please don't be scammed. This is my WhatsApp number, because I saw there is a scammer which is on WhatsApp. Let me give you my WhatsApp number, guys. My WhatsApp number, okay, like this. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number, guys, with Classic Forex Trader himself. Please, I'm shutting down this broker. I know the broker is also here. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. They should be here as well, looking at what I'm doing to them. Because remember, guys, I saw some of you voted for South African brokers, guys. We don't use South African brokers because most of them, you know, they run with our money, all those things. So please, guys, we don't use South African brokers. I don't recommend any South African brokers. South African brokers, they are scammers. They have proven us. You know what happens to most of them. They don't even last 2 years. So if you are investing in South African broker, it's going to be a problem. Someone says, fund us. I will have to make the plan on that. Yeah, but it's gonna be maybe 50 people or something like that. Yeah, but as you can see, guys, I'm impressed. Actually, there was gonna be over 20k people online, but because of my battery was low, guys, I'm sorry for that. Still going up, by the way, guys. I hope you see the numbers. Classic trading live. I'm on iMac, guys. On iMac. I don't even know how to use this thing, you know. I don't even know, because most of the time you see me trading on Windows, you know. I'm on iMac. Look how the numbers are moving. Look, let's check the equity. Let's check. Look at the equity. The equity is floating. It's going up and down. Look at the equity. $296,000. You can see, the entry is where you can see the entry point, the take profits and everything. You understand? You can see everything. We don't hide the broker. You understand? Someone says, let's see your hotel. I only post the hotels when I'm already going from them. You understand? Yeah, I will post the hotel tomorrow. Normally, if you've been following me, you'll know that I don't go to cheap hotels. You understand? So yeah, let me do this. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Yeah, guys. So let me close. Guys, look at the trades. Look at the time, guys. I started opening trades. The robot actually, look, place the buy, expect advice. I know some people will claim that no, classic, those trades are placed manually. What is the proof? Place the buy, expect. I hope you see this, guys. Look, my iPhone is not clear. I don't know how to set those camera settings, all those, but you can see place the buy. You understand? Yeah. This is placed by. I was trading GBB cat with Sophia. So the trades were started about, I grew this $2,000 account about 3 a.m. to today, 3 a.m. Then you can see it was making $1,000 on the trades. Then keep on opening trades as time goes. You understand? So that is why here you can see 20 lot sizes, 10 lot sizes, 5 lot sizes. I started with 5 lot sizes. Then as I was making profit, it went up. I hope you see, guys, the power from Sophia itself. So allow me to close, guys. You can see, let me do this. I hope you see, this is me. I deposited this at 1 a.m. I hope you see the time that I made the deposit. No withdrawal so far. Let me do what I do best. Allow me to do the magic. Look, let me close. Okay, let me close. Okay. Listen to the sound, man. Listen to the sound. I'm closing the trades. The balance you can see. I'm closing the trades, guys. I'm out. I hope someone is taking the video as well. I hope the video is being taken. We are shutting down Global GT. Yeah, making $200,000. Let me go out like this. Okay. Yeah, killing this broker, guys. 100%. Killing this broker. I'm killing it. I'm killing this broker. Listen to the sound. Listen to the sound. You understand? So I'm not gonna even wait for Sophia to close because it can do that. Look at the balance right now. My equity, I'm running on about $300,000. Okay. Hope you see everything, guys. I hope you see everything. The history so far. $2,000 to $224,000. This is about I don't know, it's either 2 million, 3 million, I don't care. I'll spend it here on Cape Town. Like I said, I was born to do these things. Even the haters know. That's why some of them are here now. I was born. I'm currently the only man who can go live with 10,000 people because I was born to do these things. So I'm out. Global GT. You are milked. I made $303,000. $303,000. It can only be classic Forex trader, guys. You can see. We don't hide anything. I mean, yeah. Unless there is something wrong. But what I know very well is that my name is Classic. You understand? And I was born to do these things, guys. Can you see the profit? This is the history. This is what we call wins in real life. You understand? I will have to make the withdrawal. Yeah, let me make the withdrawals right now. Okay. Yeah, just listen to the sound, guys, as I will be making the withdrawal. Okay, this one doesn't have my login. I will go to the other laptop and do the withdrawal as you're watching, as the haters are watching as well. Just listen to the sound, guys. I won't stop. Just listen to the sound as I will be making the withdrawal. You understand? Just wait for me. Make the login. Yeah, before these people hack our accounts, because some people are bad out there. So this is the broker. It was killed. No withdrawal so far. Let me go and make the withdrawal from their side. Okay, trades are closed even on the mobile as well. I hope you see this, guys. The history is here on the mobile as well, on the mobile side of view. You understand? You see everything. Can you see everything, guys? Can you see on the mobile as well? Yeah, this is too much, guys. Global GT is not gonna sleep very well. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow we are killing Derive as well. Derive. We are sorry, my guy. Your day is coming tomorrow. Yeah, now I was using smart risk, guys. You can see, yeah, I was using smart risker. So guys, can you wait for me make the withdrawal? I'm not gonna post this live because many people gonna go out if I do that. Okay, just wait for me 1 minute with the withdrawal. Okay guys, allow me. I'm on my other PC, as you can see. This one was killed, as you can see. This is global GT. I'm still logging in. Allow me to log in, guys. Allow me to log in on global GT website. Yeah, this broker has to be killed, guys. It has to be killed. I'm destroying global GT. Yeah, it's too much, guys. Let me actually do my logins here on the broker. Okay, classic Forex trader. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, let me do my logins. Hey, before these people see my login, man. So yeah, allow me to log in, guys, on my account. Okay, guys. Yeah, I have logged in right now as we speak. So now allow me to make the withdrawal. As you can see the broker. Allow me to make the withdrawal, guys. Allow me to make the withdrawal. Yeah, the review is coming, my guy. Don't worry, the review is coming tomorrow. Yeah, now I have to make the withdrawal. Then you can see. Okay, allow me to make the withdrawal, guys. So yeah, this is me, classic Forex trader, doing what I'm actually best with. You understand? So I was born to do this thing. So I'm gonna make a withdrawal of maybe, let me say, $130,000. Okay, so withdrawal. Yeah. Okay, guys, let's go to the history again. Okay, I'm on my. Okay, let me do this. Done. Done. Classic is done. Yeah, classic is done. I think now Ferrari is coming sooner than I expected with Sophia. Yeah, I think Ferrari is coming sooner than I expected. I made the withdrawal of $130,000. The balance is floating around $173,655,000. Yeah, as you can see. let me show you the whole history. I mean, if you are classic, what are you hiding? If you are classic, we are not hiding anything, guys, as you can see. So now I hope you are inspired. I hope you are inspired, guys. The review is coming. The review is coming as well. So, guys, I won't actually withdraw more than the whole amount, because I should wait for another opportunity to trade again. Understand? So, however, I deposited how much? I deposited $2,000, made about $300,000, withdraw $130,000. I'm left with $173,650. Guys, I'm out. My name is Classic, and I was born to do these things. No one is gonna stop me. I'm on Android here as well, because someone is gonna say, why didn't he show on the Android? It's fake. I know. Some people, even if they see this is not the losses that you always face. This is a withdrawal in real life. You see, some people, even if you withdraw life, they will even say it's fake. It's fake. Wara, you come with tariff, you let them choose the broker. People don't believe. But at the end of the day, my name is Classic. You understand? And I was born to do these things. Yeah, guys, I'm out. Those who believe will believe. Those who don't believe, they will always will not believe anything. So, yeah, guys, I hope you are inspired. Let me go outside. Yeah. So, Sophia, you have seen it, guys. The trades were placed by Sophia, as you have seen. So, yeah, guys. Yeah, this is a real things. Yeah, real trading, live trading.